In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set different prices for product varieties on Shopify. Managing product variants effectively can play a significant role in how you price your offerings and cater to your diverse customer base. Let's dive into the process, ensuring you know exactly how to adjust your product varieties pricing to match their unique qualities or production costs. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin interface. Once you're there, head over to the Products section. This is the heart of your inventory management in Shopify, where all your products are listed. If you've already listed your products, you can simply select one from the list. However, if you're looking to add a brand new product, this can be the first step. Click on a product to open its details. This is where you'll see all the information related to that product, such as the title, description, images, and more. Now, once you're on the product details page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Variants. This is the area that allows you to manage the different versions of a single product, like varying colors or sizes. Each variant can have its own specific set of details, including its unique price. Here, you'll see a list of all the available variants for your product. For each variant listed, you have the flexibility to set a distinct price point. Click on the existing price field alongside a variant to modify it. This action allows you to set a new price reflecting the particular attributes or costs associated with that variant. After you've adjusted the prices to the desired amounts for each variant, remember to save your changes. Saving frequently is important in preventing any loss of your efforts due to accidental navigations or interruptions. To do so, simply scroll back to the top or bottom of the page and click the Save button. This action will ensure all your updates to the variant prices are stored properly in your Shopify store. And there you have it. You've successfully customized the pricing for different product varieties on your Shopify store. Tailoring your pricing strategy by variant helps in optimizing your sales and providing better options and transparency to your customers. Before we wrap up, I want to add that setting variant-specific prices is a great way to manage different profit margins and accurately reflect varying product costs. Whether it's due to different material costs, shipping variances, or simply demand fluctuations, unique pricing for each variant gives you the control you need to master your e-commerce strategy. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more how-to videos and tips. See you next time.